welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. Today we're very pleased to offer this stunning looking Range Rover Evoque. Our model is a 2 litre SD4 240 PS HSE dynamic auto 4-wheel drive diesel. Featuring a lovely grey metallic, set off with the factory black pack, with the black roof, black mirror caps, black rear spoiler, and a lovely 20-inch black stealth alloys. I'm just taking it first of all a close up of the offside front wheel. All the working tyres in great condition. And I'll just take you down the driver's side of the vehicle first of all. See there the rear filter glass. And just take the rear of the vehicle, you see the rear sensors there. There's also a rear camera. Twin sports rear exhaust there. Mud guards. I'll just take it for a close up of the near side of the rear wheel. Just walk down the near side of the vehicle. See the black mirror caps. See front there, black grille. Low spoiler. Around now, take into the car. This is keyless entry and start. You see the electric windows all around. Memory seats, electric memory seats. You see the two-tone leather. So just jump in the vehicle. You see the Meridian sound system. We come to the dash, see the vehicle's on 49,500 miles. We've got auto lights and wipers, paddle shift there, all your phone buttons. You'll see the heated steering wheel behind there, cruise control and trip computer. As I mentioned, keyless start. If you come to the middle, you'll see the DAB radio, all sat nav. Just bring the map up. Or Bluetooth, you can control your heated seats and temperature from the dash as well. We've just come down, you can see there, heated seats, dual zone climate control where you set the temperature different on different sides. As we come down, the auto box, also got more USBs and chargers in the centre console. A lovely feature is the pan roof with full electric blind. You can see there. Okay, I've just got the books and the full Land Rover history on the side here, and the car will come mechanically checked, 12 months MOT and 6 months RAC nationwide platinum warranty. So we'll just take you out for one last look. Stunning looking car. If you'd like to know more about the vehicle, give myself Tom, Rover sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.